Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting network access so WhatsApp cannot reach the cloud. Turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data now. Next, remove or sign out of the Google or Apple account tied to your backup because permissions allow automatic pulls. Once done, head into System Backup Settings and disable Automatic Restore. This prevents OS-level restore kicks. These steps stop the restore trigger and give you control over when, or if, any backup is reapplied to your device. Now you remove local traces that might prompt a restore. Use a file manager to delete WhatsApp/databases files. That prevents local reinstallation from using old data. After that, uninstall the app and clear app data and cache so nothing persists. Once complete, reinstall WhatsApp but stay offline. Do not enable Wi-Fi or mobile data. During setup, skip Google or Apple backup prompts. This ensures you install a fresh instance. To finish, set up WhatsApp while offline and optionally create a fresh local backup if you plan manual restores later. Then, re-enable networks and verify messages did not auto-appear. This confirms success. If a restore still occurs, immediately revoke cloud backup permissions, uninstall and repeat the delete plus reinstall cycle. That removes stubborn links. And finally, test in a controlled way. Enable Wi-Fi briefly and watch for a restore. If none happens, you are done and protected from unwanted restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.